Yeah man, bless up, bless up, bless up. Yeah man, once more again. Back on the Dutch pot man. Original Dutch pot. Sort out your kitchen. Once you link me, there is nothing missing. Don't know, we have from a spoon to a fork. We have from roti, stuff the tower. We have all size Dutch pot. Don't know, complete the whole kitchen set. Nice a big up fire and irie. Don't know, lock them in your diary. And if you want good Dutch pot, you just try away, you know what I mean?
So we and Sonia are going to talk about this place with the pot. Hear them.
Okay, so they have Dutch pot, frying pan, and you have feeding pan, and you can even get cook pot for outside cooking, and you get spoon, and you can get roti towel as well, and you have the soup lifter that you used to take the spoon up, what do you call that? And you have the spot to turn your chicken and your fish.
And they have food.
Yeah, so you can get a versus of pot, you can get pot to cook your chicken, pot to cook your, that's for fish and chicken and whatever you want, and need flour and everything else.
Okay, welcome to Paggee, is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Paggee Beach in Port Maria. I'm not gonna lie, I do think it's pretty fantastic. The weather is gloomy and not too hot, which is nice because there's like no shade around here. See Exhibit A. But you'll also notice there's like nobody here except for Dave and Andre. Andre, you good? Let's see it. You're supposed to, okay. Paggee Beach, pretty clean, well maintained. Got a little bar right behind you if you'd like. Some cool fisherman boats. A nice island view. Besides Andre. All right, Andre, take it up. Let's see it. Yo! All right. Man, if I had to put a little out of 10 score. Okay, I'll watch them. Don't get my towel all dirty, sir. This is my towel throw, and let's find out from Sonia what she thinks. Hold on. Son, we need an evaluation. Sit down real quick, please.
evaluation.
I even made a throne for you. Come on, you can do it. I'll help you back. You know, it's a true story. About 15 years ago, we were on this very beach. I think I had to help you up then, actually, if I recall correctly. No? All right, we need a number out of 10 for Paggee Beach. Are you ready? You got a number in your head? Is that a yes?
Yes.
All right. On 3. 1, 2, 3. 8. What did you say? What did you say?
10.
You gave it a 10 out of 10? All right.
Nothing wrong with the beach.
Nothing's wrong with the beach. Okay, so we have different perspectives, right? For somebody who likes shade, oh, hold on. You also get free foot massages from the local. What rate do we charge? Can you tell them at home? How much is it?
$0.
Free foot massages for life, as long as you feed them and water them and provide a roof over their head. They'll give you. Dave, really? Yeah. So if you get a chance, check out Paggee Beach. It's a little risky getting to. Oh. Okay, you can have her feet out.
Damn! Ouch!
Maybe don't go with the massage. But yes, it's pretty. As long as the sun is not too hot, great place to be. And they'll even crack your toes for you. Paggee Beach, Port Maria. Sonia says it's a 10. And to move from Yasso. Nicely done, dear. And then you watch the kids play. Andre, what do you think about the beach?
I like it
Why?
because I can play in the sun and swim.
Yeah? What's your favorite part of the beach?
Going on one of those boats with you.
Oh, you think we're gonna go on one of those boats?
Yes.
When?
No.
Right now? You got your boat license? Where?
Yasha.
Not for boats, only for cars. Oh, all right. I think Andre approves. Andre, if you had to give this a score out of 10, what number would you give this beach? 1 was the worst, 10's the best.
10 is the best.
10 out of 10? All right. Check it out. Andre said it's a 10 out of 10. Okay. Andre.
We find some friends today at the mall and supermarket, and here are them. Yes, so this one is mine. This one is Tyler. This one is for Sonia. And this one is for my champs. I'm bringing down my champs. Our energy. What?
Hydration drink.
Hydration drink. Yes, so I never really know say them are there Jamaica, so I say cut.
Are these drinks from foreign?
Yeah.
Morning. We're going to play a quick little game. We're going to try and see, can you spot the thing that doesn't belong? Ready? Here you go. Look carefully. I'll even zoom in for you. Tough to see. Apparently there's a wasp. The tree is talking. You okay? No. Greg is up in the tree picking apples. taken a little initiative. Word of the day, Junior, initiative. Remember that one? Right. Yeah, he has found that a lot of his school buddies enjoy apples, and so turning a healthy little profit when you have zero expenses. His only price that he has to pay is he has to bring us a couple apples before he leaves for school for the day. So here's to you, Craig, and your entrepreneurial skills, and hoping that you don't fall out of the tree. Craig, you good? You sure? Okay. Alright, gonna have a little business chat with my new business friend here, the Craig. So Craig, who is your customer? The teachers, most of the teachers, cool. And what's your business model? Like, how much does it cost you? Let's figure out your net profits here. Like, how much does it cost you to collect and manufacture these apples?
$0, Craig.
How much does it cost you, Craig? $0. So normally, Craig, when people have products that they sell, there's a cost involved because they have to either import the product or they have to make the product themselves out of materials, but there's a cost. You have this great business model where apples cost you absolutely nothing. So, how much are you selling the apple for? How much? 50 Jamaican dollars an apple. Anyway, so trying to get Craig to see about, because he's got a lot of apples and we're talking about supply and demand. So I was like, Craig, if you don't sell these apples today, what happens to the apples? They're rotten. Yes, they go rotten. So right now you got a lot of supply, and my question is, how's the demand? Do you have a lot of people begging for apples? No. So we're going to try and convince Craig today to not come home with any apples, and in doing so, maybe offer some incentives like a discount if they purchase multiple apples. So like,
Drop down the price.
well, yeah, you want, so if there's a, you're dropping down the, huh? Hold on.
No, drop down the price, 50 minutes.
Right, but what happens when you still have 20 apples at the end of the day? Perhaps before the apples rotten, if you still have a bunch of apples left, you'll want to lower the price or offer a bulk discount. Like if they buy 3 apples, or maybe you'll give them 5 apples for the price of 4, or 3 apples for the price of 2. So not only do they get a good deal because you're giving them a discount, but you also get rid of your apples before they're rotten.
So tell them if they want discount, that one discount.
No, you're saying, hey, if they ask you how much are the apples, you could say 1 apple's $50, but I'll give you 3 apples for 100. So that way you get rid of 3 apples and they get basically a free apple if they buy 2. Because normally 2 apples would be 100. Does that make sense?
And the battery is not by this discount.
Right, okay. So stay tuned. We'll find out later today how Craig's sales went today. Do you have a name for your business, Craig? What is it?
Apple Boss.
Apple Boss. Watch out, apple bottom jeans. Apple Boss is coming to town with apples. Right, fashion forward Dave today. Had to get a little photo shoot in with his new. Is that a sweater? Is it a sweater? Yeah, but it's new to you, so therefore it's new. You're not gonna sweat in the sweater, Dave? High at 83 today. I bet. Okay, well, make sure you take that off if it gets too hot, because just throw it in your bag. Because yesterday what? Yesterday what?
Last night.
Yeah, it was finally it's kind of a chilly evening, especially when you don't have any hot water. Woo! You want to wake up, take a cold shower, right, dear?
Maybe after 2 last night, so never cool.
Wow.
But
Way
that's
to go,
not a sweater, that's
responsible.
a
After
shirt.
2?
Yes.
Sonia says that's a shirt. We're gonna, ladies and gentlemen, we need your comments here. I'm calling this a sweater. She's calling it a shirt.
It's a sweatshirt. It's a regular shirt.
So what's the difference between a sweatshirt and a sweater?
You don't realize it's something like when me wear garden funeral I see and so it's cute.
No, that was like a cardigan.
Yes, but then it's just the same long sleeve you have. Whatever. It's a sweatshirt.
Either way, he's gonna sweat in it, so I'm gonna call it a sweater. And there's Junior. Junior decided to get chocolate for a snack. Is it melted yet, Junior? Quality. Oh, show the product. Let's see. No product placement here yet, but today is not sponsored video. Charles Chocolates, Fruits and Nuts. Rum is not in there, Junior. Chocolate. Ooh, there's raisins, your favorite. Junior, good luck. Milk chocolate. Melts in your mouth and not in your hands. That's fine. That's the snack is your choice of when you're going to eat it. Let's go to school. Just like that, they're gone. Although rumor has it they're going to be home for the next couple days because 5th graders have their PEP assessment. So we need to enjoy today's peace and quiet while we can. We actually are going to go on a little bit of an adventure today. Not only last weekend, as you guys saw, did we head out to the beaches of Port Maria, had a great time, and the local pot shop. Not that kind of pot, but you know, even so. But we are going to Port Maria because a while back, the RADA organization, Rural Agriculture Development Association, I think, put out a grant for like 1,000 applications, or you could apply for some simple farming tools if you wanted to start a farm in your yard. And so applied for it, and I got an email like a month ago that unfortunately got stuck in my spam folder, but I found it. And so we're gonna head to Port Maria today to see if we can pick up those supplies. Not sure they're still there, but why not? It's the face of excitement right there.
Not really, but
Yeah, 2 a.m., huh, dear?
Yep.
2 a.m.
Yep.
Kids,
So life
here comes the Craig send-off. Place your bets. You're gonna get a high, a sup, a head down, later, anything? What do you think? Wait for it, wait for
Craig,
it.
you carry those in your hand today?
Get 'em, muscles. Bye. Oh man, apples. Yeah, he left some for us. Oh, honey, you can't. Yeah, I wanna. Where's my employee discount program? Wow, not even an employee discount?
What?
Taking my apples and I don't even get a discount on my own apples. He said he left some in the fridge supposedly. Not even a later, not even a head nod. He's focused intensity on apple selling. Oh well. Morning, puppy. Okay. Just enjoying some sunlight, I see. So, it's time for the pepper update. And disclaimer, right? I've come to the conclusion that these are not any ordinary peppers, but the dirt that we use, that I put them in, is. I have not tested the pH, I have not tested the nutrient level, but it came from a burn pile that had been there since the dawn of time. And so I'm going with the assumption that there is like a nutrient overload in this heavily fertilized dirt, and maybe the pH isn't correct, but we're just gonna let things happen the way they happen. Here are the peppers. They're grown into monsters. Yep, I don't know. You're just doing your thing. Answer. I will spray you again, don't think I won't. But yeah, some of them are not super happy. Just making the best of it. The white flies are super happy at least. But we'll keep them at bay. But yeah, still going strong. Peppermania. Now you know. Peppers. Okay, true story. For the past probably week and a half or so, I've made this claim that I'm going to do the exercise in the morning before anything else to get it done with and out of the way. You know, some people that give advice, not myself, say to do the hardest thing in the morning and then the rest of your day is easy. Well, it's worked so far. Got plenty of water. Sonia might even join me. Or not. She's gonna do her own workout looking for breakfast. We'll get it done with. Sweet. Well, nothing like some leftover rice and peas and some eggs to make whatever rice and peas and eggs makes. And some freshly picked apples from the Craig. Thank you, Craig, if you're watching. We're gonna eat and get out of here. Right, dear?
You say so?
If I say so. Well, I just said so.
Okay.
So here we go.
So you want the glasses?
So we're trying to figure out the best camera mount system for driving around and not only entertaining ourselves but also you guys on the sights and sounds of Jamaica. Maybe not too many sounds, but sights anyway. Ugh. And right now I think our best bet is we have the 360 camera mounted up, and I found out, you guys probably saw if you watched the last episode, that yeah, if you put it in time-lapse mode, it does not go so well because trying to constantly recenter the where the video is showing doesn't work as good as possible. So we play it like this, we can not only communicate, talk, have a good time, share sweet nothings, but also give you guys a view and heads up on where it is we're going. I'm gonna try the wiper fluid for the first time. Oh, I see you. Cool. So we're off to... You done? We're off to Port Maria. We'll see what comes of it. Enjoy the show. Yes, we have found real quickly that the key battery, yeah, these fancy keys that don't work, this is a push button start, is low. So I'm gonna go back to the dealer hopefully today and get it replaced. Found out how to do that, thank you YouTube. It's an entertaining process. And for the first time we're gonna go get gas. And which side is the gas tank on, dear? And yours for sure. So stay tuned for my embarrassing episode of not knowing how to open the gas tank, because I think there's a button around here somewhere. Do you see it?
It's supposedly on your side.
Yes, dear, I would hope the gas tank opening was going to be on my side.
You know, say gas tank over this side.
But we are enjoying that lovely air-conditioned air, even though it's not super hot out. Because... why not? Is that it? I don't know, do you want AC or do you want the windows down? Let's wave to Peter. Emissary. Oh! You see that look? Oh, snap. Potholes. I grimace every time I see him, and like, I know this isn't gonna end well, but... Alright, to the gas station. Ready? Okay, found the gas lever thanks to the lovely assistants here that pumps our gas. It's hiding down here on the bottom right. Thank you for remembering, dear. Remember, I'm just the driver. You're supposed to take care of all extracurricular activities. I should turn the car off, huh? Aye. We're gonna make it. Deep breaths. Well, it's in EV mode, so it's not using the gas. It's using the battery. But because that's why you don't hear it running. That's why I wasn't sure it was on. But it's off. Car's off. Gas is going in, and we're going on the road. Right? Taxi drivers jumping in the road. One thing I forgot to mention is that, as you probably saw in the earlier this episode, is that the boys take an immense pride in the cleanliness of this vehicle. So we went to the beach last Sunday, and when we got home, man, they busted out the hose, the rags, the vacuum, and made this thing shine once again. So I think we're getting the idea that, yes, on Sundays the kids are going to clean the vehicle, and they take a lot of pride in it. So that is something I don't know if I've ever experienced before, the kids wanting to clean the vehicles. So hopefully they keep that up, and that way they can see the glasses place up there.
Where?
Vision Center.
Oh, where?
It says Phoenix Vision Center.
Up here, so.
I guess so, yes.
Okay.
We're gonna go try to find the it's probably not little, but the ag place. But yeah, so shout out to the boys for keeping this vehicle shining. We'll see how long it keeps up, but that's the plan anyway. Find the place. Okay, success. We got through with the backyard gardening kit from the RADA organization, and we have a little haul here. What is it?
So plant something that you use.
A seedling tray. Or seeding tray. Yeah.
Seedling tray.
Where you plant your babies.
Like what they have already. Greenhouse.
Yeah.
It's coming on it.
It's where you put little pieces of dirt, well, and then you put the seed, and you get one.
But you do have the
One at a
potting
time.
thing that you put in on them.
Yeah,
And
but
then you put
okay, and it comes.
dirt. With the dirt.
I see gloves. I see shovels. I see seeds. Ooh, celery, tomato, pop choy, cabbage from Lewis Scotch Nursery, and fertilizer. Everything you need to start a garden. So the project for the boys is going to be interesting. We'll see what they do with it. So thank you, RADA. We have a garden coming up this summer. The boys challenge. Oy. More on that later. And we gotta off to our next adventure. that's your tour for the day. How'd I do?
Good so far.
Good so
Come
far.
back home in one piece.
Her bar is not set very high when it comes to my driving, right? Her goal is like, as long as I come home in one piece, I'm gonna call it a successful drive. Thanks, dear. I'm gonna take that as a compliment.
1000 pieces. I come back in one down.
1,000 pieces. Well, I think that's a little extreme. All right, now the fun part. Backing into the driveway. Okay, we come home to learn a valuable lesson here. Sonia wanted to clean the coffee pot with some vinegar and baking soda and left it in, and now, honey, it's dripping, it's leaking. Why put it? Don't put it on the counter. Yeah. We have learned a valuable lesson here.
You sure it's a leak? I'm put water in there.
Yes, dear, I could see it coming out the bottom. Put some water in it.
Put vinegar sitting
Straight. Straight vinegar.
And your baking soda.
Uh-huh. No water?
No.
Wow.
Then you have to clean it out.
Put some water in there, dear. Watch what happens.
Dang. Dang.
You know, in life, when you want to do those I told you so moments, but you don't, because you realize you are older and more mature and it's not going to solve any problems. Like when you have a lake on the floor. Should we say some final words? We had a good run with this coffee pot.
No, it's Mr. Start boaty, that's why. I'm going to cut close the motor door and totally forgot about everything like.
Oh well. Coffee pot. We had a good run. Listen, sir, you can leave now. Go away. No, away, away. Back. Back outside. Go. You know you're stubborn. Close enough. Well, as inspiration for all the rain that's coming down, we have found the roof is being tested. And in that test, oy, where are ya? What? No! We have sprung a leak. Man, it reminds me of old times. So, we'll have to get that fixed. Jamaica! It's coming down. Whee! Inside and outside. Man. Okay. I'm gonna hydrate. Not much. Just as you start hydrating, you find some more water. Hey! I can't win. I think Sonia's taking this rather well. You're doing great, dear. Pray. You got this. Hey! Oh man, leak number 3. Joke's on me. Thankfully we have little cups. Meanwhile, in the front yard, the slippers are floating away. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't think that's what the broom is for, dude. Man. Drums full. The kids always wanted a pool. Kids said they wanted a pool. I guess this is gonna be it, man. Wow. Honey, the slippers are floating away. You're doing great, dear. Whee, okay. Bye. I'm not scared. No, not me. You're doing great, dear. Still coming down, man. See if we can check on the peppers. There we go. Woo. You guys good? Okay, stay out of the rain. Oh man. It said it was gonna rain. Wow. Well, it's almost 4 o'clock. Still coming down. Most amusing part, Dave might have had a great sweater today, and Junior brought his jacket, thankfully. Craig, not so much. And the one piece of items that we have here in the house that would actually assist them at this time, this right there. We'll see what time they get home. Rain. Okay. You're soaking wet. Welcome home. Dave! I mean, normally you shower in the bathroom, dude. What did you? I don't know what happened. You good? Cool. They're home. And wet. Boy, funny story for you guys. You ready? Not only did it rain outside, it rained inside.
Oh, what did it? What rain said it?
Italy.
Good, Dave. Oh, yeah, we had a little rain shower, and we put a new addition in the house. Just gonna have it rain inside and not just outside. Junior, out of the couch. Thank you. Welcome home. You are soaking wet, but and your food dish is full of water. Hold on. Boy. All right, you ready? You ready? Go get it. All right, get him. All right, dinner is served. You gonna be okay? Nice. Might start the doghouse soon, since the boys got a couple days on their agenda coming up without any school. It wouldn't be a bad project. I'll run it past them, see what they say. Puppy? You good? Okay, good talk. Good evening, Craig. Wow, he says evening and you say, did you bathe from morning? I think the appropriate response is evening, Dave. That's great. You're dry. That's good. Unlike some people. You got what? Ooh, fancy. Really? Why? I hear that's what happens. You're clearly not calling the right number.
WhatsApp now.
We're all home.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, that's the problem. You gotta call it straight.
So I change my call?
No, because otherwise... Oh boy. Craig's home. All right, now that dinner's done, it's time to talk business. Craig, how'd the Apple sales go today?
Good.
How good?
Like 650.
650. Where is it?
Put it on the bank.
Right. Craig's not a good liar. We know.
Damn it.
You know, I know. We know.
No,
Craig, let me try the question again. How did the apple sales go today? Why were they good?
Come sell apple.
You sold off all your apples.
Yes.
You didn't give any away.
No.
You didn't give any discounts.
No.
How many apples did you have?
Eh?
How many apples did you bring?
Yes, no.
Then how do you...
Pop bag, just put up in a house.
Uh-huh.
And just bring to school.
Okay. And you made $6.50.
Yes.
So if you made $6.50...
It's a 50 on
Gentlemen, applied math question for the day while Junior learns how to sit on a chair. Applied math. Whoever gets it right can go play on the iPad until I get homework ready. Craig made $650 today.
Yeah.
He sold how many apples?
Hold on.
We might need a time lapse for this one. Okay, so
11 apple.
Craig has an answer, Dave has an answer, Junior has an answer. Here we go. Dave, what did you say the answer was? 11
No,
apples.
he said 12.
Junior, what did you say the answer was?
11.
And Craig, what did you say the answer was?
11 before, boy.
Allah, yeah, tell him.
Mr. 13 and 11.
Well,
No,
Craig,
Mr. Craig,
ladies
Dave
and
said
gen-
10, you say 11, and Dave said
No.
11. You know, say that?
After boy said 10, you say 11.
Getting off France.
Me get to 11.
Okay, well, unfortunately, Craig changed his answer because 13 was the correct answer.
13.
You changed it to 11.
No.
Nobody wins.
Yeah, we
We all
tell
lose.
What him said?
Just when you thought it couldn't get any crazier. No, not that craziness. This craziness. Andre,
Yo,
what's up?
no.
How was school today?
Boring.
Why was it boring?
I'm gonna like
Why don't you like school?
teach. I walked me up yesterday.
Why the teacher whop you?
Because when she never did it, my one boy actually but me never get up.
Oh.
But she walked me.
Uh-huh.
The boy want me to play with him get so much harder than me.
Ooh.
And bunny.
Mm-hmm.
In ball, but me no ball.
Oh.
Bunny.
Are you gonna be okay?
Never hot.
Mm.
Just a teacher go. Bye. Bye. That never hot.
Mm.
When they take it off.
Mm. They all live happily ever after?
What you gonna do?
Lock the chicken door.
Yes. We're gonna lock the chicken door now. So stay tuned. We dead down. Now take it down. My nicotine is. Lucky. With lucky folk over now we done we are grown.
Then start the work. Me get you right.
Cool.
Me do. I think easy work. That easy. Me do.
Andre.
Me do 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 12.
Nice. What's 6 times 2? Alright, we'll keep working on that.